good, guys? Welcome to week today. Today's Friday, 7th August 2026. I'm gonna go back to the next session. One trade and I take it to the I made $250 in day trading Nasdaq. Holy textbook week, guys. 3-0 in the week. They cannot stop my win streak. Holy fuck, bro. It's been such a today I cannot say it was a clean price action at all. It was a little choppy. There was a shit ton of fake outs, and I've seen a lot of break-even trades, a lot of losses. And I'll cover that honestly. But oh my god, like today I only took one trade, okay, and it was while I was heading back home in the car, so I wasn't really fully locked in, but I still managed to take the trade. Beautiful trade, honestly. But yeah, let's just get into it, guys. So here are my executions. This is the trade I'm gonna take it, okay. And let's get into it. Super discretionary day, guys. Again, you guys will normally see me taking trades like this, but I had such a high conviction in my DOL that I just really needed to take this, okay. So let's just get into it. So comment of the day, I did have a mixed bias. Reason for this is how we were pre-market this respecting this 4-hour for value gap in this 4-hour for value gap, but we were disrespecting this 1 hour super strongly, but having huge reaction of these 4 hours. So I really wanted to see what 10 a.m. does, okay, and based on that just really adapt my trading and see what the market does, okay. So at open, what do we see? Well, let me do this. Okay, so at open, what do we see? Open, what it does is we open low, tap this 50-minute intermediate low, right, and we have this little nice AMD model you guys see right here. We got this accumulation, little manipulation, and then 1 minute immerse to the upside. I feel like this trade, it's I don't think this is the best trade ever. I mean, if you took this, props to you, I guess. But I mean, it really wasn't something that I loved. Honestly, I really want to see price develop a little bit. But as you guys see, price end up making this trade work. We tap this 50-minute for buy gap, and this trade perfectly works. I just wouldn't give this an A+ of a rating, but I mean, if it works, it works, you know. So at this point in day, I really wanted to see two scenarios. Either we respect this 50-minute and we displace lower to this data lows right here, or we could disrespect it and take a 5-minute continuation to what? To this 1 hour for value gap above here, okay. This was a for value gap inside of for value gap, so I really like taking those DOLs. Those are really good DOLs. But as you guys see, what do we do? Price end up just chopping for the most of the time, right? And here there was this 3-minute inverse. There was this 3-minute inverse right here, as you guys see right here, and I did not take this. Reason for this is, I mean, it was pretty much I really wasn't confident on where price wanted to go at this point. Why? Because price was just simply fighting between DOLs. We were respecting this 50-minute for value gap, plus respecting this 30-minute for value gap, as you guys see right here, but we were also respecting this 50-minute bearish for value gap. So I really want to see price develop a little bit more, give me something more obvious, and from there just take my position, okay. I don't think this is a bad trade by any means. If you had conviction on shorts, I feel like this is valid, but just I really wanted to see more a little bit more confirmation and really pretty much just more obvious displacement, okay. That's how I've been getting a super nice win rate and overall win streak. So yeah, I just wanted to see price develop a little bit more, okay. So after this chop, holy crap, we did chop a lot. I was waiting for 10 a.m. to open, okay. So as you guys see right here, 10 a.m. opens, and what do we do? So on the 6 a.m. candle, what do? We print a huge rejection block of this 4-hour for value gap right here, and this 4-hour for value gap. We were respecting the shit out of it, leaving this one our unmitigated fair value gap without taking it. So I wasn't really worried about that, honestly. And at this point, this high was super high resistance. This high was super protected, so I did not want to see any short of longs, especially having nice DOLs below. Okay, also at 10 a.m. what it did is open this 4-hour fair value gap right here. I don't have it marked out, but I did see this mid trade. Okay, so yeah, what do? We tap the rejection block. Okay, and I was here looking for a entry. As you guys see, there really wasn't anything. I mean, I even looked for 15-second, but I really want to see something a little more obvious, since I normally see these rejection blocks get filled back again, maybe tap CE and then make the actual move. So I wanted to see something more obvious, or a 1 minute CISD, which I was waiting for. Okay, so we did not get the CISD here, but we did get it here. And at this point of time, I just pretty much just really wanted to see a little more something a little bit more obvious. Okay, so what do? I started to see some displacement, which I really liked. Okay, and here we make a new low time frame range. As you guys see here, from this high to this low, we make a new low time frame range. Also, we did open a 5-minute fair value gap right here. So I mainly wanted to see this CISD, this 5-minute CISD that tapped the 50-minute fair value gap, get taken and get my continuation of it, not only a rejection block, because as I told you guys, we will normally fill them back. We'll just fill them a little bit more, maybe get stopped out and then make the actual move. So I want to see this CISD get tapped. As you guys see, we do not tap it. Okay, so I was waiting for that on my entry. Okay, I would have get in here if we did tap the CISD, but we did not. So I was waiting for a little bit more confirmation. And what do we do now? We do tap the 1 minute CIC. So I was looking for entries right here, and just for extra confirmation. And you guys might think, Pablo, you're always looking for way too much confluence, way too much confirmation. This is what works for me, and this is what is been giving me my win rate, my current win rate. So I'm just not gonna change it, guys. If it works for me, I'm just gonna keep on doing it. Okay, so what do we see? We mark out from the high to the low of the new low time frame range. We marked out here. I want to see how we respect EQ or OTE. So what do? We do tap perfectly OTE of the range. And what do we start having? We do start having a nice displacement of OTE. So this candle plus 15-second CISD gave me the confidence that we were actually gonna make the move from rebalancing this 1 minute CISD. Okay, at the time we were also respecting this 3-minute fair value gap, so that was one of my main conditions. Okay, so after we tap the CISD, we get nice displacement, we tap OT, and we have a 15-second inverse fair value gap plus a CISD. I set my limit order right here at the little OB, right? And what do? We do tap it. Okay, we do tap it right here. I get fill around here. Okay, and here this high should be now protected if we want to go lower to this data low and the 4-hour unfilled fair value gap right here, right? So what do? I get filled right there, and we start displacing lower. Okay, so at this point I was looking at the 30-second chart. I really was thinking about having my break-even spot at this low, at the low hanging fruit with nice displacement. But what do? We do tap it right around here, yeah, but I don't get the displacement that I wanted to get. So what I do, I don't go break even right here. Okay, I did not go break even, and as you guys see, I would have got stopped out. And after that, I wanted to see this low get run through in order to go break even. So what do? We run through this low, we close below this low, and now I'm going break even, saving myself from getting stopped out in break even. And what do? We displace beautifully to my DOL. Beautiful risk management, beautiful. Yeah, I mean, I managed my position super good. I'm super happy on how I play this trade, honestly. Looking for the extra confirmation, the OTE tap, the 1 minute CISD tap. It was pretty much all I wanted to see. And you guys might ask, why are you taking this trade when you have a 5-minute unfulfilled value gap above? Well, because we're super close to my DOL, the 4-hour undead data lows. So now if we have a nice displacement and we're also reacting of the order block without even tapping the 5-minute CIZ, I'm expecting this for value gap to just be a breakaway gap. I don't think this for value gap is gonna get tapped if we want to go lower, because we're simply super close to the DOL and we're respecting the rest of PDAs. So I don't need this gap to get taken. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all. From here, I see some people took some longs of the 4-hour for value. I think this is super okay play, honestly, because I really have conviction on longs. I just really wanted to see price go all the way down here. After that, I was trying to look. I was thinking about maybe taking some longs since I didn't take any short. But I mean, yeah, we do tap the 4-hour for value gap, and as you guys see, we got here a 1-minute inverse. If you want to have a little bit more confirmation, you could wait for a CIZ or the high time for inverse right here. And as you guys see, this long actually prints. So yeah, that'll be pretty much it for today, honestly. Yeah, that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got something of this. Honestly, I think I draw pretty much a lot of sauce when it comes to conditions, on how we were fighting between DOLs, how you want to wait for price to develop a little bit more and actually make the real move. From there, you can take your possession. So yeah, I mean, I just stay patient and found what market really wanted to do. After I saw that, I just executed with my model, looking for extra confirmation since we were a little choppy today. Price action wasn't the cleanest today. I'll give that to you guys. And yeah, I feel like if you took a loss, if it's one of those losses that I talked about, the 3-minute inverse, I feel like it's okay. Just journal. Just make sure you have the confirmation for market to actually make the actual move. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. Honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got something of it. As you guys know, you guys can follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. I'll be posting all my executions on there. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead. The link is on the description. And I also recently opened my Discord. So if you guys want to join that and see my live commentaries, want me to review your trades, that's totally fine. I'll be active on my Discord a lot, so you guys can go ahead and join that. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed and get something of it, and I'm out here. Peace out, guys. Peace.